Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 5, Lesson number 13, Triangles and Quadrilaterals. Students, I think you have understood what a quadrilateral is. So let's do exercise 13B, which is based on quadrilaterals. Okay, question number 1. A quadrilateral has dash angles. A quadrilateral has four angles, dash diagonals. How many diagonals? Two diagonals, dash sides. Yes, four sides and dash vertices. That is also four. So we know these basic concept. Okay. Next question. In a quadrilateral ABCD, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to 75. That means angle A and angle B both are 75 degrees each, and angle D is 110 degrees. We have to find angle C. Now, how will we find out what is the total of angle of a quadrilateral? Yes, we have learned it is 360. So, sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. So, to find the fourth angle, what we will do? We will add the three angles and we will subtract from 360. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D should be 360 degrees. Angle A and angle B, it is 75 degrees each. Angle C we have to find, so we write as it is, and angle D is 110 degrees. So now to find angle C from 360 degrees, we will subtract the sum of 75 degrees plus 75 degrees plus 110 degrees. So 360 degrees minus. Now this let's add it in the rough work. 5 plus 5, 10, 7 plus 7, 14, 15, 16, and 1 plus 1, 2. That is 260 degrees. So 360 minus 260 is 100 degrees. So angle C is 100 degrees. Okay. So we move on. Question number 3. In each of the following quadrilaterals, find the unknown angle. Means in the quadrilateral, three angles are given. We have to find the third angle. So we know the method. Yes. Sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. So angle X will be 360 degrees minus, we will add all the three angles, 60 degrees plus 110 degrees plus 80 degrees. Okay. So angle X will be 360 degrees minus. Now add these up. 60, 110, 80, 0, 6 plus 1, 7, plus 8, 15, 250. So 360 minus 250 is 110 degrees. So angle X we can say is 110 degrees. Okay, the next one, B1, again 110 degrees, 85 degrees, 120 degrees, and Y. So again we know sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral equals to 360 degrees. So we can say angle Y will be 360 degrees minus the sum of the other three angles. So 110 degrees plus 85 degrees plus 120 degrees. So it will become 360 degrees minus. Now we will add 110, 85, 120. So 5, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 315. Now 360 minus 315. 5 minus. So it is 45 degrees. So Y is equal to 45 degree. The unknown angle, that is Y, is equal to 45 degrees. Let's continue. The C1, we have to find the Z angle. So again, sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degrees. So Z will be 360 degrees minus sum of, yes, 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 110 degrees. So it will be 360 degrees minus 90, 90, 110, 80, 99, 1, 290. So 360 minus 290 is 70 degrees. So the unknown angle Z is 70 degrees.